Hey there, thanks for blowing advice. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add Google Translate in your WordPress site step-by-step guideline. For doing this, first of all, you need to install a plugin called Google Language Translator from the plugin section in your WordPress dashboard. I already installed the plugin from the plugin section, and then you need to go settings and click on Google Language Translator to configure it. Here you just check this option to activate the plugin, and secondly you select your website or blog's default language for configure it, and now click on save changes. Now if you want to show the language bar in your WordPress or your blog navigation, then you go to appearance and click on widgets. Here you can see the Google Language Translator. You drag it and drop your main sidebar or others where you want to show, then click on done. Previous version I deleted here. Now you reload your website and see the language bar or translator available in here. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully all of you are understood and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for next updates.